Little fifth graders, it is time to practice some fractions. Now this should be very easy for you because this is nothing new. You have done fractions before. But we're going to practice two of them together. So make sure you have a sheet of paper out. And number one, we've got to determine what this fraction is. So we're going to have a fraction bar. And then we've got to figure out the numerator. The numerator will be the number on top. It'll be how many are shaded in. We have 1, 2, 3 shaded in. And now I have to discover the denominator. That is how many I have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fraction is 3/4. So let's try another one. Number 2. I have my fraction bar. Now I have to determine my numerator. How many are shaded in? Just 1 is shaded in. Now I have to discover my denominator. I have to figure out how many I have in all. 1, 2. 1/2. Now, on your sheet of paper, first I want you to pause the video and then give me the fraction of all the rest. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. Number 3. My numerator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 sevens. Number 4. My numerator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7/8 is the answer. Number 5. My numerator, 1, 2, 3, 4. My denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4/8. Number 6. My numerator, 1, 2. My denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 6. Number 7. My numerator, 1, 2, 3, 4. My denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 8. My numerator, 1. My denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1/9. And last but not least, number 9. My numerator, 1. My denominator, 1, 2. So 1/2. So that's just with regular fractions, discovering the numerator and the denominator. Next set of problems, we've got to figure out mixed numbers. Now remember, a mixed number is a combination of whole numbers and fractions. Let's do number 1 together. First thing you got to do is count how many are completely shaded in. I've got 1 and 2 that are completely shaded in. So my whole number is going to be 2. Now I've got to figure out what my fraction is going to be. My numerator is how many are shaded in, 1. And my denominator is how many I have altogether, 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 2 and 1/3. Let's do number 2 together, and then you're going to do the last 4 on your own. Step number 1, I must count how many I have completely shaded in. 1, 2, 3. And now I got to discover the fraction. How many do I have shaded in? 1, 2, 3. how many do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is my denominator. The answer is 3 and 3, 6. Now you do 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. Number 3, how many do I have completely shaded in? Just 1. So my whole number is going to be 1. Now I got to discover my fraction. My numerator will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My denominator will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 5 sevens. All right, the next one. How many do I have completely shaded in? 1, 2. So my whole number is 2. My numerator, 1, 2, 3, 4. My denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 4 fifths. All right, number 5. How many do I have shaded in completely? 1, 2, 3. Now for my fraction. How many do I have shaded in? 1. And how many do I have all together? 2. So 3 and 1/2. All right, the last one. How many do I have shaded in completely? Just 1 whole. And my numerator shall be 1, 2. My denominator is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and 2 9s. Now the last thing to practice. Proper fraction or improper fraction. Remember, a proper fraction has a numerator that is less than its denominator. An improper fraction has a numerator that is greater than or equal to its denominator. Now, based on that, on your sheet of paper, tell me each fraction. Is it proper or improper? Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. Now for proper, I'm going to put P. For improper, I'm going to put I. All right, 1/2. That would be proper. 3/8. Proper. 7/4. Improper. 7 is greater than 4. 6/8. Proper. 2/10. Proper. 16/18. Proper. And 21/20. Improper. Because 21 is greater than 20. So there you have it, you little 5th graders. Our very first practice with fractions. Now get back on Google Classroom and do the assignment. That's good.